Welcome to Mr. Vin TV, your go-to destination for personal development and growth. Today we're diving deep into a common, yet often overlooked barrier to success, the scarcity mindset. This is a belief system that can severely limit your personal growth and success. It's when you see life as a pie, and every piece someone else takes leaves less for you. But here's the good news. You can shift from this limiting perspective to a more empowering one, an abundance mindset. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you make this crucial shift. We'll explore how to recognize your scarcity mindset, confront your fears, practice gratitude, surround yourself with positivity, and much more. So if you've been feeling stuck, limited, or just not reaching your full potential, this video could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Are you ready to break free from a scarcity mindset? Stay tuned to find out how. Step 1 involves recognizing your scarcity mindset. It's like a silent saboteur, subtly influencing your thoughts and behaviors, often without you even noticing. It can manifest itself in various ways. Maybe you find yourself feeling envious of others' success, secretly believing there's not enough to go around. Or perhaps you're constantly worrying about money, convinced that no matter how hard you work, it's never enough. Fearing change is another common sign. You might cling to the familiar because the idea of venturing into the unknown seems too risky. All these are hallmarks of a scarcity mindset, a worldview that operates under the assumption of limitation, of never having, doing, or being enough. But remember, we're not here to judge or criticize. We're here to understand and to change. Self-awareness is key. By recognizing these signs, you're already taking the first step towards changing your mindset. Step 2 is acknowledging your fears. Fears can be a powerful motivator or a debilitating factor. They often cast a long, foreboding shadow over our minds, fueling a scarcity mindset. This mindset drives us to believe that we'll never have enough, that we are not enough. But here's the twist. Fears are not real. They're constructs of our imagination, hypothetical scenarios we've spun out of uncertainty. So let's shine a light on those fears. Acknowledge them. What are you afraid of? Failure, rejection, uncertainty? The simple act of naming your fears can diminish their power. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly the monsters are just shadows, and shadows aren't so scary, are they? By facing your fears, you're taking the first step towards conquering them. You're challenging the scarcity mindset, pushing back against the idea that you're not enough. Remember, by acknowledging your fears, you can start to overcome them. Moving on to step 3, practicing gratitude. Gratitude, a simple yet powerful tool, can dramatically shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. It's all about focusing on what you do have rather than what you don't. The feeling of scarcity often arises from a perception of lack, of not having enough. But when we take a step back and actively appreciate the wealth of blessings in our lives, we realize we have more than we thought. The beauty of gratitude is that it's not about the size or value of what you're grateful for. It's about recognizing and appreciating the good in your life, no matter how small. It could be a warm cup of coffee, a smile from a stranger, or a peaceful walk in the park. Each moment of gratitude is a step away from scarcity and towards abundance. Remember, gratitude doesn't just happen. It's a habit we cultivate, and as we do, we start to see the world differently. Gratitude opens the door to abundance. Step 4 challenges you to surround yourself with positivity. Picture a garden. If you plant seeds of negativity, you're going to harvest weeds of doubt and fear. But if you plant seeds of positivity, you'll reap a bounty of confidence and abundance. It's the same with your mindset. The people you associate with, the environments you frequent, they all shape your perspective of the world. If you're constantly in the company of negativity, it's easy to slip into a scarcity mindset. But when you surround yourself with positive influences, with people who believe in abundance and prosperity, it's easier to adopt that same mindset. It's also important to create a positive environment for yourself. This could be as simple as decluttering your workspace or as transformative as moving to a new city. Remember, positivity breeds abundance. Adopting a positive mindset is a crucial step towards fixing a scarcity mindset. Positivity breeds abundance. Step 5 involves setting goals. Indeed, the act of setting goals is a powerful tool in overcoming a scarcity mindset. When you set a goal, you create a vision of success, a tangible target you can move towards. This in itself fosters a sense of abundance because you're no longer focusing on what you lack, but on what you can achieve. Think about it this way. Goals are like the North Star guiding you on your journey. They provide direction, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment when you reach them. They also help you measure progress. offering a clear benchmark for success. Each achieved goal is a testament to your abilities and a stepping stone to the next achievement. Moreover, setting goals encourages a growth mindset. It pushes you to step out of your comfort zone, to learn, adapt, and grow. It's about embracing the possibility of more, of better, of growth. Goals give you something to strive for, reinforcing an abundance mindset. Step 6 is all about visualizing success. You see, the power of visualization is an incredible tool in shifting one's mindset. It's like painting a picture of your future right in the canvas of your mind. Think of it as your own personal movie where you are the star. Now, how do you effectively visualize success? Start by defining what success looks like to you. Is it securing that dream job, living in your ideal home? Or perhaps it's achieving a certain level of fitness. Whatever it is, make it as vivid as possible. Next, immerse yourself in this vision. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your goals, the joy, the satisfaction, the sense of accomplishment. These emotions will serve as your fuel, driving you towards your goals. And remember, consistency is key. Make visualization a daily habit, because the more you visualize, the more you reinforce your belief in your ability to succeed. Visualize success, and it will come. On to step 7, investing in yourself. Now, this is a step that cannot be overlooked. It's about more than just financial investment. It's about investing time, energy, and effort into your own personal growth and development. You see, self-care is not just about bubble baths and chocolates. It's about nourishing your mind, body, and soul. It's about taking time out for yourself to rejuvenate and recharge. Continuous learning, on the other hand, is about keeping that mind of yours sharp. It's about staying curious, staying hungry for knowledge. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses, it's about never losing that thirst for learning. And personal growth? That's about challenging yourself, pushing your boundaries, and stepping out of your comfort zone. It's about becoming the best version of yourself every single day. So remember this. Investing in yourself is the ultimate expression of an abundance mindset. Step 8 requires patience. The saying, Rome wasn't built in a day, holds true when it comes to personal growth and success. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about understanding that the journey towards an abundance mindset is a progression, not an instantaneous flip of a switch. Think about a gardener. They plant seeds, water them, give them sunlight, and wait. They don't dig up the seeds every day to see if they've sprouted. They trust in the process, knowing that with time and care, the seeds will grow. Similarly, the seeds of an abundant mindset need time to take root and flourish. You can't rush your growth, and you can't force the changes you want to see. It's about being patient with yourself, being kind to yourself, and understanding that personal growth is a journey that takes time. So as you continue to work on shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance, remember to be patient, because patience is key in this journey towards an abundance mindset. Step 9 encourages generosity. A scarcity mindset often clings to what it has, fearing the loss of resources. However, to truly shift towards an abundance mindset, one must learn the art of giving. Generosity, you see, is not about losing what you have, but about understanding that there's enough for everyone. When we give, we send a powerful message to our brain. We tell it that we have more than enough, that we are not in a state of lack, but in a state of abundance. This simple act can drastically change our perspective. It's like a muscle. The more we practice generosity, the stronger our abundance mindset becomes. Practicing generosity doesn't necessarily mean giving away all your possessions. It can be as simple as sharing your time, knowledge, or skills with others. It's about creating a cycle of giving and receiving, which in turn fuels the belief that the universe is a place of abundance. So start today. Give generously, give freely, and watch as your scarcity mindset begins to shift. Generosity fosters an abundance mindset. Finally, step 10 is to believe in abundance. The power of belief is an incredible force that shapes our mindsets and consequently our reality. It's like a magnet attracting what we focus on into our lives. The more we believe in abundance, the more we open ourselves up to receive it. Think of it this way. When we genuinely believe that the world is a place of abundance and that there's enough for everyone, we start to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. We transform our perspective from one of lack to one of plenty. This shift in mindset is not just about money or material wealth. It encompasses all areas of life, relationships, creativity, joy, health, and more. Believing in abundance is about understanding that life is not a zero-sum game. It's about recognizing that your gain doesn't have to come from someone else's loss. So hold on to this belief, nurture it, believe in abundance, and it will manifest. That wraps up our 10-step guide on shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. We began by identifying the signs of a scarcity mindset, recognizing its presence in our thoughts and behaviors. We then moved to acknowledging our fears, understanding that they are natural but not necessarily reflective of reality. We delved into the power of gratitude, highlighting how it can help us appreciate what we have rather than lamenting what we lack. We urge you to surround yourself with positivity, to set ambitious goals, and to visualize your success, providing a clear path towards abundance. Investing in yourself, whether through education, health, or personal interests, was our next topic. We emphasized the importance of patience, of giving time for change to take root, and the value of generosity, of giving without expecting in return. Finally, we ended with the belief in abundance, the key to shifting your mindset completely. Remember, shifting your mindset is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing these steps and you'll see a change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Vin TV for more self-improvement tips. Until next time,